So, welcome to the Build Your Business Bootcamp.
Welcome. We're here to help you and support you get started in your own business.
Yeah, we're so excited that you've joined us because the next 5 days are going to be so valuable for you. And we've created this training so that you can confidently move forward and build your business. So, just a quick intro. I'm Jane Jackson. I'm a career management coach and I specialize in transition coaching. I'm the author of Navigating Career Crossroads and I'm the host of Your Career Podcast, and I help you to find and follow your true passion and direction.
Jane, I'm Ingrid Thompson and I'm a business mentor, educator and coach, and I really focus on helping people make good decisions about getting started in their own business, because there's some really critical things to think about. I've written a book called So You Want to Start a Business. I have a podcast, So You Want to Start a Business. And my mission is to make sure that when someone starts a business, they start a viable business that continues to be successful.
And you know what? Between us, we have helped so many professionals to transition into self-employment or entrepreneurship. Some people want to build an empire. They're busy into empire building. Other people want to create a lifestyle business. So depending on what you want, we're here to help you. Now, what's going to happen is over the next 5 days, every day, you will get one email into your email inbox. And in that email, there will be a training video from each of us and also exercises and templates for you to complete, plus actions that you need to take to move forward in your self-employment journey.
Yes, and each video will have different templates or exercises to do, and there'll be instructions on how to do that, and they'll be helping you make the decisions that you need to make to get your business off the ground.
So, should we get started?
I think so.
Yeah, see you in the rest of the module.